Hello, my name is Mathai Thomas. I am a rheumatologist. Rheumatology is a disease that deals with connective tissue diseases, or in local parlance, the diseases associated with joints. Can affect any persons of any age, even a child, newborn, productive years, or the elderly above 60. The causes of the disease can vary from immunologically mediated disease or endocrine diseases like thyroid or diabetes mellitus. Drugs can affect, infections can affect. There are varied presentations. Usually the patient comes in with the complaints of stiffness of the joints or a swelling or weakness, tiredness, hair fall, skin changes, skin rashes, swelling in the joints as mentioned previously, difficulty in walking, difficulty in getting up from a squat, lack of appetite, bleeding. So based upon the clinical features, the investigations are carried out. Those include the blood test, special investigation, those are the serological investigations, radiological investigations, and then sometimes we ask for specialized investigations. Based on the reports that are coming through, the patient is first informed about the nature of the disease, the medicines that are available, and the side effects of the medicines, because the patient has got to know. All patients are intelligent. They have to understand as to what they have got. And then based on the reception that is given from the patient, the treatment is instituted. The treatment can be drugs, special drugs like DMARDs, or now the monoclonal antibodies have come. Then there are injectables. Sometimes if the patient has got cancer or something like that, it can be manifested as rheumatological manifestations. Then the patient is spoken to about radiological therapies. Then the patient is referred to the other consultants. Now there is always, rheumatology does not mean that everything is related only to a given specialty. There is an interplay between the different specialists. We have to take the help of the other specialists also to help the patient.